Hey everybody, it's Julie. Thanks for joining me here today on my channel. I wanted to share with you the new Faith art collection from Creative Retreat. This is for the month of June. So let's dig in. So this collection is called Sufficient Grace, and it is beautiful. The devotional was written by Rebecca Fairs, and it has a nice sized devotional that gives you lots of Bible verses that you can study. And it's talking about God's sufficient grace, that He strengthens us in our weakness. And it's only in our weakness that He can truly do wonderful and miraculous and amazing things with us. That's where He wants us, at our weakest, so that He can work through us. So it has reflection questions and then this beautiful print on the back. It's all springy, summery yellows and pinks and greens. This is my jam. I love these colors. I think those might be gladiolas. I'm not exactly sure of the flower. It comes with a flare piece and it says week on there. I like using these on ribbons or actually making pins out of them. Clips, for example, like this right here, just making a clip out of it. You can attach these to your book bag, to a craft bag, to anything. So that's the flare piece. You get three sheets of stickers. One is the decor sticker sheet, which has wordfetti on it, images, usually a tab, and of course these hearts. And then you get two colors of alpha stickers, and these are circles this time. I love this pink and yellow. This is a good size. You can spell out all kinds of things with it. You get this full-size washi tape, and this is beautiful. Let me open it up. It's going to match these florals. Let me find the end. Here it is. It's always a good quality washi tape. And oh, that is beautiful. Look at that. So that is the washi tape. And you also get a stamp set. In my unboxing last month, I somehow lost the stamp set. I didn't lose it, but it was under stuff on my desk. My desk is such a mess, and I didn't share it with you, but I made sure to share it this time. So you have a 3x4 stamp set, and this is a two-step stamp. You would stamp this image, these are the leaves, in green, and then the flowers in any other color you want. And you could even do a combo of colors. And that will just be a beautiful flower piece. It'll look something like this. So you do the green and then the pink there. Here it is done in yellow. I'm going to make a bouquet, I know. You've got this texture piece with the crosses. Your grace is sufficient, all I need. So you could say all kinds of things with it. Your grace is all I need. Those kinds of things. So with the physical kit, you get the devotional, the 3 sticker sheets, 2 of alphas, 1 of the decor elements. You get the stamp set. You get the flare piece, the button with this washi tape. Now there's also the add-on digitals, and these elements are also available in digitals. You could get just the devotional in the digital. These are a la carte items. You could buy the individual items, the washi tape, the stamp set, or even these alpha stickers you can buy individually. I think they're $2.50 a page, $2.50 or $3 a sheet. And then if you want to go all digital, you can get the devotional in the digital format. And then this is how you can get the art pieces. These are called the Faith-Filled Digitals, and you get 3 sheets I believe it's for $7.50. You get 3 sheets of digital images, and you can use them however you want. I usually start off by printing it on paper. Then I might isolate some images in some kind of Photoshop app and print some on clear sticker paper. These flowers would be pretty on clear sticker paper. Sometimes I'll print on cardstock. So you have a faux washi down here. These labels I love, the words, the flowers, a tab right there, these circle pieces. Of course, you get more hearts. There's another tab. You get these pattern swatches, 4 different patterns, which you can use for, this is a perfect size for a margin tip-in. You could just plop it onto your margin or make a tip-in with it, and it's perfect for that. You can cut out letters with these. You can make title pieces. And then I always love the journaling cards. They're just so beautiful. They're great to just cut out and clip in your Bible. I love using them in my micro-sized Bible or my mini Bible. These are just so pretty. I also love using these in my faith planner. So I will link a video that has a couple of faith planner spreads using these elements. So beautiful pieces. I just love these colors. So excited about that washi. I think that's going to be a focal element for me. So those are the digital pieces, the Faith Art Box, which is all part of the Faith Art Collection. And then later in the month, around the 20th, Danielle always releases a freebie that has word starters, phrase starters, some of the same words and things like that, but it's got a different feel to it. So watch for that. All right, if you have any questions or comments about the Sufficient Grace kit, the physical kit, Faith Art Box, or the digital elements, then be sure to leave them in the comments section. Check out the Creative Retreat YouTube channel. I do create content over there, as well as some other gals who have just gorgeous work. I always learn something from them, whether it be artistically or scripturally. And follow along, and I'll be sure to have a video here on this channel creating with this collection. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Hit that subscribe button and come back and join me next time. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.